Namaste student, this is Sanjay Nath. Today's session is on Industries of India, ICSE Part 2, Standard 10. In this session, we're going to learn about extended part of agro-based industries like sugarcane industries, followed by mineral-based industries. Let's begin. Now we learn about sugar industry in India. At present, the status of sugarcane industry in India is good. Second most important agro-based industry after cotton. It ranks second in the world in the production of sugar after Brazil. It employed 3.5 lakh workers in sugar industry. These are the list of some of the products are made from sugarcane, white sugar, jaggery and brown sugar. There are certain byproducts that are also made from sugarcane. Bagasse, these are rejected cane, either it is dried up or fermented, earlier used as a fuel, for example making of ethanol based fuel. Nowadays used for manufacturing paper, cardboard and insulated board. Molasses is a dark brown syrup which is drained during the processing of sugar making, used for manufacturing of industrial alcohol, fertilizer, rum and yeast. Press mud, used for making shoe polish, carbon paper and extraction of wax. Now we'll see the geographical locations and the factors where sugarcane has been grown widespread. Bihar and UP, largest sugar producing belt in India. Coal obtained from Jharkhand for processing of sugar. Dense network of railways plays a very important role in transportation of sugarcane. There is availability of skilled labor. In the state of UP, Kanpur has become the chief distributing center and marketing center. Now we'll see some problems associated with the sugarcane industry in India. Subtropical climate is not good for sugarcane industry. Short crushing season. Factories are not within the proximity of the field. The machineries used in these industries are outmoded or obsolete. The price of sugarcane is fixed by the government. Many times the farmers are not getting the right benefit. At times low yield and shortage of raw material also create problem in terms of sugarcane production in India. In last 10-20 years, the sugarcane industry has developed in India and there is a southward migration of sugarcane industries. In southern India, there is a suitable geographical condition for sugarcane production. There is a long crushing season. There is a large holding of land is also available. There's a lot of use of fertilizer. Factories are closer to the field and that reduces the proximity. There are many cooperatives also developed in the managing sugarcane industry and there is a big sugar lobby that take care of the sugarcane industry. Now we'll see the chief centers of sugarcane industries in India. Gorakhpur, Saharanpur, Kanpur and Lucknow in the state of UP. Muzaffarpur, Darbhanga in the state of Bihar. Manmad, Solapur, Nasik and Pune in the state of Maharashtra. These three states are the primary chief centers of sugarcane industries in India, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Punjab. Now we'll see some of the problems associated with the sugarcane industry in macro level or in large scale. Sugarcane industry is seasonal in India that primarily depend upon the sugarcane production. Shortage of raw material at times due to some calamities or some other problems. The method of production is old and inefficient. Byproducts are not fully utilized, mainly bagasses, molasses and pressed mud. Now there are some research centers that have been developed in India for sugarcane industry. These research centers are in Lucknow and Coimbatore. The primary objective of these research centers is to create new varieties of cane which can ripen in short time, maximum use of the byproducts to reduce the cost of sugarcane. Now we look upon the industries based upon minerals. The primary raw materials are minerals in these industries. They are generally located near the source of raw material and near the source of fuel to reduce the cost of transportation. It is viable to be these industries close to the market for the consumer and for the buyers. We'll take first iron and steel industry. The importance of iron and steel industry, they are mainly the key or basic industry. It provides steel for many purposes. Mainly industrial machineries have been manufactured from this, agricultural equipments and construction tools and transportation. It is also been used for manufacturing defense equipments. Now we'll see what are the steps in steel making process. As you can see, the extraction of iron ore is from sandstone that you have learned in the previous chapter. This is a symbolic image that's showing those molecules of sand particles and intermolecular space are filled with the iron oxide. Collection of this iron ore, it goes to the industries where it has been processed with the help of the blast furnace technique. In step 2 steel making process, obtaining of pig iron. In the blast furnace, there are three important things that have been mixed: iron ore, coking coal and limestone. Iron ore could be hematite or magnetite. Coking coal is a high quality coal, bituminous or anthracite coal, and they use limestone as a flux or a catalyst to absorb impurities. Now we'll see that step 3 in steel making process, making of steel, mainly rolling mills. They mix manganese with the big iron to make it high quality steel, so mix nickel and chromium. Now we'll see step 4 in the process of making steel. It casts them into rolling mills and these are the different cast, ingot, rods and sheets. Any other shapes if you remember you can share. Now we'll see what are the types of steel plants in India. Integrated iron steel plants and mini steel plants. Integrated steel plants are raw material is iron ore. It comes from the mines. Uses blast furnace to separate high quality steel. It requires large investment to run the industry. It primarily located near the raw material sources to reduce the cost of transportation and proximity. On the other hand, the mini steel plants use scrap as raw material. In mini steel plant, they use electric furnaces to melt the iron. It requires less investment and it can be located anywhere. Now we'll see the major steel plants located in India. Tata Iron Steel Plant, Tisco, Bhilai, Durgapur, Rourkela and Bokaro. Among these five, the two steel plants has been added in our syllabus this year. Tisco. It is located in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand state. It was established in 1905 and iron ore and manganese been extracted from Singhbhum. The coal is primarily supplied from Jharia. Damodar Valley project provides power. The primary products have been manufactured here, sheets, rods and ingots for other industries. It is very well connected with the Kolkata port. Rourkela Steel Plant. It is located in the state of Orissa. It was established in 1960 by the German company Krupp and Demag. Iron ore and manganese extracted from Mayurbhanj and Kyonjho. Coal extracted from Raniganj, Jharia and Tilchar. Power is supplied from Hirakund Power Project and the primary products manufactured here are plates, rods for railways and ships. It is well connected with the railway from Mumbai to Kolkata. Now we'll see what are petrochemical industries. A petrochemical plant, the raw material is primarily petroleum and their byproducts. Plants are primarily located near the oil refinery to reduce the cost of transportation. Now we'll see some of the products manufactured by the petrochemical industries: plastic, fertilizer, insecticide, drugs, resin and artificial rubber. Now we'll see the importance of petrochemical industries and their byproducts. They primarily replacing some of the consumable product in the market. Leather footwear by synthetic footwear, steel pipes by PVC pipes called polyvinyl chloride, steel containers by plastic containers, cloth bag by polythene bag. As such, polythene bags are harmful to our environment. Overall, it reduces pressure on environment. These products are cost effective. These are some of the petrochemical plants in India: Union Carbide Limited, Trombay, Maharashtra; IPCL, Vadodara, Gujarat; Petrofields India Limited, Vadodara, Gujarat; Petrochemical Complex, Bongaigaon, Assam; Hindustan Organic Chemicals, Raigad, Maharashtra. Now we learn about electronics industry. Electronics industry in India has developed in last 20 years. Now let's see some of the factors that plays a very important role. Highly qualified and skilled manpower is available in India, and more than 5,000 units are set up in India. It provides employment to 1 million people. It can be set up in small scale. Now we'll see different type of electronics manufactured in India: consumer electronics, communications and broadcasting, computers, software and space technology. Now we'll see consumer electronic industry. It is about 40% of total electronics production. Items are mostly assembled. TV, DVDs, refrigerators are good examples of electronics. Export worth rupees 10 billion. It heavily depends on innovation. Now we'll see different electronics in communication and broadcasting: mobiles, telephones, optical fibers. Fastest growing industry in India. India is the largest market of electronics goods. Computers, PCs, laptops. Items are assembled. India is the largest market of computer peripherals. Software industry is very much connected with the computer industry. India is the second largest exporter of software. Technical knowledge is required and it is very much available in India, and skill level available at economical rates. And rupees 100 billion exports are from India. Space technology. India is a leading country in the space technology. India's space program is self-reliant. Major units of space technology is ISRO, Bangalore, and SAC, Space Application Center, Ahmedabad. NRSA, National Remote Sensing Agency at Hyderabad. In space technologies, there are certain projects they assemble and manufacture. INSAT, Indian National Satellite; IRS, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite; PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle; and GSLV, Geosynchronized Satellite Launch Vehicle. Thank you for watching the presentation.